Hi everybody, my name is Kenton DeYoung, this is Kenton DeYoung Travel, and today we're doing something a little bit different. Today is the first of hopefully 13 episodes of my new YouTube series, Unboxing Canada. In this series, we'll be unboxing a package from each of the 10 provinces and 3 territories across the country. Now that's if everything goes according to plan. Now, I've been talking to some of the tourism representatives in other provinces, and this isn't... It might not be possible because of COVID and some of the things that have happened in the tourism industry the past year and a half. Also, because I have a small but very appreciative following, some of them just don't see it worth their time to send me anything in the mail. But one of the places that do see some value in my YouTube channel, besides myself and of course you, dear viewers, is the territory, almost a province, the territory of Yukon. The Yukon sent me a package just the other day in the mail full of stuff all about their territory and why I should visit it. I've never been there. I've read about it in books, I learned a bit about it in history and about my own research over the years, but I've never actually been to the Yukon. Now, in case you're thinking, I didn't know it was called the Yukon. I thought it was just Yukon. There is a recent name change. It changed in 2003. And now it changed again in 2021. So I might slip and say Yukon instead of the Yukon, but it is the Yukon as of last week, beginning of August 2021. So anyway, without all that out of the way, thank you so much to Travel Yukon for sending this awesome package. I can't wait to see what it is. I don't know what it could possibly be. And hopefully we will have 12 more of these going forward. So with all that out of the way, here's the first package. The first video of my Unboxing Canada YouTube series. Something cloth in here, we'll see. No way. It is a Yukon larger than life face mask, which is perfect. We're going to, it's actually a little bit too big for my face. It can be adjusted. Cool, okay, hold on. We're gonna fix this and try it again. Okay, how does that look? Is that great? Great, awesome. We'll be wearing this the entire video. So thank you so much, Travel Yukon, for this face mask. What else is in here? Okay, we'll start with this. It's a highway map, perfect. I used to have a map of this of Saskatchewan, so this is kind of cool to see one. Oh wait, it's not just the Yukon. It's like, okay, so this is just the Yukon. I don't know if you can see it, but this is like all of Western Canada and Alaska, which makes sense because one would probably go to Alaska if they're going to the Yukon. So you can see. Actually quite small. The territory of Yukon, it's only here. This is Northwest Territories, going towards Nunavut. This is just the territory of Yukon, which is okay. It's kind of small compared to the other one, but that's quite alright. You can see a better side of it here. Here's Tombstone Territorial Park if you want to go there. It looks beautiful. I've seen pictures of it. Dawson City, they have the London Jack Museum. Down here is Whitehorse, the capital. And honestly, I don't know the geography of Yukon very good. So this is really cool. And I like seeing all the ads. Global Geopark. That looks cool. Nugget City? Oh, never heard of Nugget City. What a cool, that's so cool. Thank you so much. Okay, what else do we got here? Oh. Kenton. Good luck with the video. Hopefully we'll see you in the Yukon soon. Jason. Hopefully I get to go visit the Yukon soon too. This is great. I'm really enjoying this. It's Northern Lights. And I've actually always wanted to take a picture like that, but like with this headlamp, but I never got it to work out. One day I'll get that picture. What's this? Oh. This is a little calendar, it looks like. Can you see the reflection in it? 2021 Yukon, photography by Robert Postma. Yukon Large in Life. I wonder, do I have anything that can open this? Okay, here it is. A little piece of cardboard inside of it. Oh, it's like a little desk calendar. So here's January. It is Annie Lake Road. February, the best month of the year, in my opinion. Northern Lights and some trees. That's in what horse it says. Okay. Here's March in Kusawa Lake. I've seen similar pictures of that in Alberta. I think around Jasper, but I'm not sure. But here's April with Canadian lynx. Oh, here's May with a cute little red fox. It's too bad I'm getting this in August. Only a couple months left of the year, but better late than never. This is 21. Yeah, 21. Here's June. It's a common loon, everyone's favorite bird. Ivavik National Park. Is that? Let's look at the map and see where that is. This one. Oh, it's all the way at the top, up here, bordering Alaska and bordering the Arctic Ocean. Yeah, okay, that's probably one of the most northern national parks in the country, I wouldn't doubt. Wow, that looks beautiful. And look, it doesn't have snow. A lot of American viewers will be shocked to hear that. Dempster Highway. I've heard amazing things about the Dempster Highway. Always wanted to go. Golden Side Mountain in September. Oh, so Dempster Highway was August, right? Yeah, okay. And September, it's the Golden Side Mountains. October is a grizzly cub. Oh, so cute. I don't know this is for certain, but I think grizzly bears are the bears that are there, and polar bears aren't because they're too far from the coast, from the ocean. Maybe they're up more on the coastline, but because it's so far into the inland, there's no polar bears. I'd be wrong on that. Won't be the first time. Wheaton River in November. That looks beautiful. Never seen lights that bright. Like I've seen lights before, but never northern lights quite like that. And December is a bald eagle. Perfect. And these are taken by Robert Postma. Do these because they're small. Okay, we got a Yukon sticker. Another Yukon sticker. Larger than life. Oh, we got a pop socket. A Yukon pop socket for your phone. That's cool. Oh, and more postcards. Sweet. Oh, it's like the same one that Jason sent me, but they're just blank. So if you want a postcard, we did this a couple videos ago. If you want a postcard, let me know and I'll send you a postcard in the mail. And I think there's one more thing in here. Experience Yukon. TravelYukon.com. It's a booklet. It's a pretty big booklet magazine, all about Yukon. First Nations art in the Yukon. Imagine where your wheels will take you. Imagine where they'll go. Right? Wouldn't that be great to go up there and see that? Tuktoyaktuk, Inuvik, Old Crow. So close to the Arctic Circle. Man, that'd be so cool. Dempster Highway, the Silver Trail. These are places like you read about in school, right? Like in the Klondike and everything. It was sensory overload, seeing these amazing glaciers wrap around these giant peaks. Hopefully we can preserve this incredible place. Yes. Yeah, hopefully we can. Dean Heliotisis. Said that wrong. Look at this. It's like a forest with a whole bunch of, are they license plates on them? On all the trees. That's so cool. Man, this is great. And I think they even have these books. You can get them on the website and they'll mail them to you. If you ever want to go, or at least see what Yukon has to visit. Because, it's tough to imagine this stuff. This mask is so warm, which is great. The one I got last October, it's great. It has, it's just like a mask. But it doesn't go as high up my nose. It doesn't have this it doesn't go tight on my ears. This is cool, but I can feel the heat on this mask, which is healthy, which is what we want, but it's just like... It's like 35 degrees out today. This is a little bit too warm wearing a mask indoors. Got the southern lakes of the territory. What's that? Carcross Desert? I didn't know there was a desert up there. It makes sense we have deserts here in Saskatchewan, but this looks so nice. Things to see in Whitehorse, things to do in the area. First choice, bed and breakfast. Huh. Bed and breakfast would be cool. Up north. Four Seasons, of course, Edgewater. Oh, it shows them if they speak different languages. That's handy, in case you're going there and you don't speak English. So the Scandinavian house bed and breakfast, they also speak German, which is cool. And the Best Western Gold Rush, they speak French and Spanish. I guess that makes sense. They could probably get tourists from all over the world. That's neat. Oh, there's a lot in this book. Kluane? A legacy left by an ice age. I've never heard of Kluane. Kluane? Tell me how you say that in the comments. So it's like a mountain ridge with lakes. Oh, it's beautiful. Must be part of it's the northern part of the Rockies, right? Campbell. Look at that. As someone who likes abandoned stuff, to have those trucks and that mountain behind it. Oh gosh. It looks so nice. Oh god. Silver Trail. Oh. So I've heard about these old houses, lodges, that the pioneers or the Gold Rush people used to build, and then they've abandoned them. And this looks like one of them. That looks so cool. I'd love to go see that. Oh, you got some cute little links sitting on a road. Oh. The Klondike, the iconic Gold Rush history. Let's look at that architecture. Look at that. That looks like something you'd see in the Old West, but it's up north. Oh, it's so cool. Historic buildings of Dawson City. Man, I wish I could show you this. Wow. Where the sun never sets. Where is this? Tombstone. Look at that. Gosh. And I'm so used to the prairies, right? Where if you have a hill, it's a big deal. But to see mountains like that, I haven't seen mountains since Utah. But those weren't really. I guess they were mountains, but they're more rock formations. They have fly-in wilderness parks, probably because they don't have any roads. I'm assuming. Where do I find all the things? Yes, yes, that's what I want to know. Wow, this looks so cool. So I think that's everything in the package. Take this off. Oh, I can breathe again. That was really fun. I really enjoyed that. The postcards, cool. If you guys want them, let me know in the comments below and I'll send you these postcards. Thank you so much for the pop socket, the stickers, the booklets, map. This is fantastic. So thank you so much to Travel Yukon for setting this package together for me. I am blown away. This is so much fun. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to see the next, hopefully 12 instances of this YouTube series, this Unboxing Canada YouTube series. Please let me know. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and hopefully we can encourage all the parties to be part of this project and show what Canada has to offer. And let me know in the comments below if you've ever been to Yukon or if you ever want to go to Yukon. I really want to go to Yukon now. We'll see if that ever happens. So as always, my name is Kenton DeYoung. This is Kenton DeYoung Travel. Thank you one more time to Travel Yukon for saying all this stuff and for sharing the wonders of Yukon with us. My name is Kenton DeYoung. This is Kenton DeYoung Travel, and I will see you next time. Which I have no idea what that's going to be. So I'll see you next time, wherever that is. Bye, guys.